What's up, everybody? We are here in Kisumu County. One of our clients entrusted us into making them be energy independent. And so this system is a three-phase system. It has a 50 kilowatt inverter. It does have 10 Waco lithium ion batteries. Let me take you through the whole process. So on my right, we do have a phase selector switch. As you remember, I did say that this system is on a three-phase model. Below, you can see a step down, which is taking the appliances from 240 volt to 110 that are within the household. Behind me, you can be able to see control panels that are being handled for the three-phase system. We do have the AVSs and the automatic changeover switches. Above is the DAE 50 kilowatt inverter. It's a hybrid inverter that is set to charge all these batteries, and also during the day it runs all the appliances within this home. All these batteries are 10 Waco lithium ion batteries. They are 5.3 kilowatt hour. However, they have been sized to 80% depth of discharge, meaning that each of the batteries are 4.24 kilowatt hour. Here we have the HV box. The HV box is something that helps all these batteries that we have here send the information that it is collecting from individual batteries into the inverter, so that the inverter does not need to collect information from each and every battery. So let's just say that this can be kind of like a communication hub that is working in tandem with the DAE inverter. Not within the video, we have roof-mounted 48 panels of 665 watt monocrystalline panels for the client. As you can see, actually, if I show you on the control panel, you can tell that the client is off-grid. If we can just zoom in a bit, you can tell that the client is off-grid and thus running completely and fully on solar. You can tell even that the batteries are well charging, and right now the client is on 1.12 kilowatts that are being used within the home. So for this and many other installations, reach out to us on info@powerafricasolar.com and the contact details below, and we'll get to your site. Thank you.